The shoe assembly attaches to the front of your recip saw and provides a support as you cut. It helps to control the saw during the cut. The most common issue with the shoe is simply losing it. If the saw is used extremely hard, the pivot hinge between the mounting bar and the shoe can break, causing the shoe to fall off. Replacing the shoe is a simple repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the shoe. Now I can install the new shoe. I align the shoe with the opening in the housing, insert it to the proper depth, and lock it in place. And that's how easy it is to replace the shoe on your recip saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.